Welcome to Turks and Caicos, my friends.
Good morning and welcome to the beautiful by nature Turks and Caicos, and also to the last of the true exotics beaches, Turks and Caicos. We are here at the beautiful Keywest village.
If you're wanting to come to Turks and Caicos, this is the perfect place for you to come if you have a large family and you want to have them all in one roof. This beautiful place is going to have its own kitchen, large fridge, which is the best part because it's all inclusive. It's all you can eat and drink. You can put food in there. It's going to have the capability of having 4 rooms, which is pretty large. It's going to have its own bathroom. It's going to have the washer and dryer. I absolutely love that there's tons of balconies almost in every room, so you can just hang out on your own in private. It does have a small living room area where everyone can hang out, play some board games, and just spend some quality time. Again, it's going to have another balcony where you can hang out with the family out here, have some drinks. You can have butler service, which is amazing. So they can bring out the food for you. They can bring out the drinks. This is another room that you can have for privacy with the extra bathroom. So again, this place is all inclusive, you guys. It's all you can eat and drink here at the beautiful Turks and Caicos. I absolutely love everything about it, and this place is stunning. The beach, the food, the water, everything's amazing. So if you love travel, click like and follow.